What's up, weirdos? We have a unboxing video for you guys. I got like 2 packages. I opened one already because I didn't really think how to do this video. But when I got the second one, I was like, shoot, I should do one. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, first package, as you can see, I already opened it, but it's some, let me show you. It's some 20mm spacers for the rear, because I have spacers for the front, but they're not hub-centric, so they shake a lot. So I just want to get some hub-centric spacers for my car so it won't be shaky, the wheels and stuff. Yeah, I got 2 of them. They're from this company called Black Path. I don't know. Got them on eBay, $50. Not that bad in price. They come with extended lug nuts. You can't run stock lug nuts with these spacers. Alright, for the second one, it's from ESC Tuning. Yeah, I'm not sponsored or anything from both companies, but maybe one day. Yeah, I didn't get too many things because I'm broke. So yeah, as you can see, not opened or anything. Let's just open it up. Another one. Ooh. So this is our first order. There's some Bosch spark plugs. I know I'm in a spark plug video, and I use some auto light ones from like O'Reilly's, but don't do that because BMWs are really sensitive, and I totally forgot. So I got some universal spark plugs, and that's not cool for BMWs because they're really sensitive. So I got some Bosch ones. So they're OEM. Choose Bosch or NGK for BMWs because they're really sensitive. Yeah, so that's my first order. Just 6 spark plugs. Yeah. And the second one, pretty excited about these. I think they'll look pretty cool in the car.
Oh. I'm not cleaning on it.
Shit. Hold on. Commercial break. Alright. Yeah. So, let me just open this up. As you can see, these are some nice tail lights. When I bought my car, it was a salvage title, and it got damaged on the left rear side. So obviously the tail light got damaged, and I was gonna buy some other ones from like Craigslist or something. But I saw these on ESC Tuning, and I just decided that these would be cooler, and they're only like $100 for both. And there were stock ones for my 87 E30 was like 300 something. So here's the other. It came with some reflective things. I already know. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, look out for some tail light video coming soon, and I'm in the process of like welding my diff, so that video might be up in a week or 2. But yeah, this is the end of the show. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment. And yeah, see you later.